everyone, my name is Amibo. If you are my returning subscriber, may God bless you. And if you are not yet subscribed, please subscribe and turn on the notification bell. Anytime I upload, you'll be notified. My people, this one is happening right now. It don't red, it don't bust. Ninja matter don't tire person. My people, make una watch this video so and leave your comment on my comment section below. Okay, my people.
Alumel. Someone should please help me and confirm this thing that I want to say. I have been on free mood for long. I don't even know what is happening around me. I heard that the president of Nigeria, the #1 citizen of the country, the president of a nation, president of the giant of Africa, the most populous nation, went to Imo State to commission a project and everybody ran away. Imo State, what is pursuing you people? I heard that it is not only Imo State, Ebonyi, Enugu, Abia, and Anambra was on total lockdown, total shutdown. Everybody ran away. Okay, no one not here. Abia State and Imo State, what is pursuing you people? Why are you running away from your president? Is he a spirit? The only time that I know that when you see somebody and run away is when you see somebody that have mouth odor or body odor, or when the person have leprosy, or epilepsy, or when the person has committed a lot of atrocities, or if our ancestors are angry with the person when the land is against the person, or maybe the person has committed sacrilege, or the person has committed something none have committed. That is the only time you will see somebody and run away. What happened? Why did you see your president and all of you were running away? This is this must be a trying time for the governors. How did he manage this situation? Uzodimma was not the only person that went to Mombako Airport to receive the president of Nigeria. Oh, this is painful. This is so painful. Poor Uzodimma don't have any other option other than to carry sugarcane sellers and carrot sellers. Uzodimma had no other option other than to carry Hausa boys to just fill up the state. Fill up the state. They are not even up to 50 Hausa boys selling carrot and sugarcane. Imo State. So you people now left to carrot sellers to welcome the president of Nigeria. Because I know during Jonathan, when Jonathan was the president of Nigeria and Obasanjo president of Nigeria, when they came to Imo State, there was massive crowd. Women, our Igbo women, tied different rappers, Igbo rappers, dancing and singing, chanting victorious songs. Our men, the men were beating drums. Children were jubilating. There was happiness in the air. Everybody was singing and shouting, dancing. What happened? What now happened? Hey! Uzodimma must be feeling very bad. If I can be feeling bad like this, who knows the situation and condition of Uzodimma? Someone should please help me and check up on Hope. Uzodimma, this must be a trying time for you. That Imo State, your citizens, all of them abandoned you like this to your own fate. You now have to go and welcome. Buhari welcomed himself. Only you have to welcome president. The president of the giant of Africa, that when he is coming, the crowd that will come out. I even heard that the bank did not open. Schools did not open. Market did not open. Children were not going to school. Everybody was running helter-skelter. Everybody was running inside their houses. People saw their president and they were hiding. This is serious. Just like a father. When a father comes back home, his children will come out rejoicing and happy to welcome their father. So why were people running away when they saw their president? This is a serious topic to discuss. This is a very serious topic. Don't take this topic for granted. That the Southeast was on total shutdown when they saw their president. Hey, Uzodimma must be feeling bad. Please, anybody that see Hope, hug him. Somebody should reach up on, try to get him on the phone, hug him. This must be a very painful situation for him to handle. Uzodimma will not forgive Imo State for this. Uzodimma will not forget this treatment. What did Hope and Buhari do to you, Imo State, that you have to treat him like this? You have to treat him. You left only him to commission himself. You left only him in your state. I heard that the state was deserted. Not even a bed was had. Now, Imo State have power. Ndimo will got power. I didn't expect this. So they said not even a bed was had. That they allowed the president to welcome himself. Hey, poor Hope. Try Hope, Ndo. Sorry, nah. Sorry, I know this is very painful. If this thing is true, because I don't have data, it will never be well with free mood. The person giving me this information said that this is what he saw online. If this is true, this is the highest disgrace of our time. This is the highest of the day. This is an embarrassment that the whole president came. Everybody ran away. Nobody came to welcome him. This disgrace will never wash away from the sands of time. This is like a stain. This thing will be remembered from generation to generation. And in Dimo, you allowed this thing to happen in the time of Hope Uzodimma. What did he do? What kind of thing did this Hope Uzodimma commit that you people had to leave him to his fate like this? Child, who knows how Hope is feeling? And I even heard that BBC Igbo and BBC Pidgin, because of the weight of this embarrassment, so that the international community will not say, why didn't this state welcome their president? BBC Igbo and BBC Pidgin had to go to download the NSAS protest picture. This BBC Igbo downloaded the pictures of NSAS protests. You know, during NSAS protests, there was massive crowd. They had to download these pictures and paste it on their Facebook so that this embarrassment will not be so glaring. Chai, so this thing has gotten to this level. And I was also hearing bongo trousers and bongo shoe. Please, who is the owner of the bongo trousers? We are just sharing bongo trousers and bongo shoes. I was hearing trouser and shoe. Is it the trouser of Hope Uzodimma or the trousers of the Aboki that came in the state? Who owns the trousers? Who is the owner of this trouser? Or the trouser of the sugarcane sellers or the carrot sellers? Please, I need more information about this bongo trouser, because this trouser is the number one topic that people are discussing. What about the trouser? Child, this is a very big embarrassment. How will Hope cope with this kind of thing? And the person giving me this information said that Buhari came to commission gutter. Hey, I don't believe that one. This is propaganda. This one is propaganda. That is one small tunnel that Buhari came to commission, one small tunnel gutter. How can the president of the giant of Africa leave Abuja to commission tunnel that water is flowing? No, I told the person that he's lying. That it must be a massive project, like a big underground tunnel where cars is passing from under to up. No, how can the president come to commission a small gutter? That this is a big project. You know that kind of underground tunnel that is in Dubai and in America, where car will be passing from under, flying up. Car will be going from under, going up. That kind of tunnel. That is the kind of massive project I expect the president, and I know that is what is happening. Like I said, I am not sure. If it is gutter, please show me, because seeing is believing. I can't believe what I did not see. You said it is gutter that he commissioned. Show me the gutter, please. Hey, but this is painful, Sha. Hey, this Hope Uzodimma will never ever forget this. And I heard that IPOB is now in charge of the Southeast. That IPOB now make laws. That people are following IPOB bomber to bomber. That the Ndiwo unanimously agreed that they will never take any law that any state governor is making. That they don't recognize any state governor. That Ohanes Ndiwo, as far as they are concerned, they are useless. How true is this? This is what I heard. I am not sure. That they will never take laws from Ohanes Ndiwo. So this thing have gotten to this level. So Ohanes Ndiwo will not say anything again in the state. Not even in any gathering of Ndiwo. So these state governors will just stay and they will not make laws. These governors are now helpless. They even go as far as now threatening banks that if they don't open, they will shut them down. So this is the level IPOB kept these governors. This is a total defeat. It is finished. So IPOB is now in charge of Biafra land. IPOB in the leadership of Nnamdi Kanu. IPOB, of which Nnamdi Kanu is the leader of IPOB, is in faraway prison, dictating what is happening in Igbo land. These governors are gone. I feel for them. Karunobi, Ndon. Please, anywhere you see these governors, hug them. They must be passing through trying times. This is a very hard time for them. This is the most difficult time for these governors. So they will not stay in their state. They will turn to governors that make laws and nobody will obey the law. Are you saying that these governors are now useless? Are you saying that Ohanes Ndiwo, they are now useless? Child. Oh, this is painful. Please, somebody help me. Check up on Hope. Check up on him so that these people will not fall under depression. This Hope Uzodimma will not forget this thing that you people did to him. He will never forget it. Child. This is really, really painful. And I even heard that the IPOB leadership said they have not even started. That this is testing water. Once they say shut down, everybody shut down. Once they give order, everybody follow. That is follow who no road. Hey, this one is 100-0. This is a big blow on the faces of this Ohanes Ndiwo and faces of the governors. So there is no need for the governor again now. This is blow. This is blow. Massive blow. This is massive blow. They said they have not started. That this is testing the microphone, testing the water. Are we supposed to expect more from IPOB? That means it's IPOB now that we are going to be taking laws from others from. IPOB leadership is now in charge of Southeast. IPOB is in charge of Biafra land. Hey! This one is big. Hey, no, these governors will not be getting themselves now. Please give them hope. Give these governors hope. They need hope. This must be a very difficult time for them. Oh! Alumel.